Your data should help you move faster. Instead, it slows everything down. Files sit in spreadsheets, dashboards disagree, and teams work from different versions of the truth. Research shows that 63% of organizations now use more than one cloud provider, which makes management and visibility harder. As Jacob Saunders, EVP of Professional Services at Atmosera says, fragmentation is clarity lost in translation across systems and teams. Fragmented data is not just scattered storage. It shows up as slow workflows, conflicting metrics, and environments that do not match from development to production. Teams duplicate work because they cannot see what already exists. Leaders hesitate to act because reports tell different stories. Engineers troubleshoot issues that only appear in one environment. Valuable time goes into finding information instead of using it. The impact spreads across operations and finances. Duplicate data sets increase storage costs. Misaligned systems create compliance and governance gaps. Silos force teams to verify numbers again and again before making decisions. This creates friction that blocks innovation and delays progress. The fix starts with visibility and alignment. Organizations need unified data systems, clear ownership, standardized environments, and continuous monitoring to prevent drift. When systems connect and definitions match, teams move faster, trust the data, and focus on building outcomes that matter. You can read the full article on our website to explore the symptoms and solutions in detail. And you can add this to your playlist to revisit these insights anytime.